Hey, hi everyone, welcome to the first video. Today we have a very interesting topic as we discuss in the context of the videos which is going to be on this channel. Okay, so actually I was surfing through the chat GPT and I just asked, give me a random, give me a real world random mimic project idea that can be made in 10 minutes from scratch. So it said about a project in which I'll tell you in context what it is trying to say is like कैसा machine learning algorithm बनाते हैं जिसमें कि when we will be giving any of the images with uh, which are having fruits inside of them, it can classify those fruits. Ki it is an apple, orange, grapes, banana, whatever it is. Okay, so I thought it very interesting. I don't have any idea how what is machine learning, how do we use it. I know a little bit of Python. I am a software engineer, so I know a little bit of technical stuffs, VS Code, using command line interfaces, pip command, and everything. But I don't know the exact commands, the NumPy pandas at all. I just know these are being used with PyTorch, as they say, as this is said in the ChatGPT also, like TensorFlow, PyTorch. I know these are the libraries which are used, but I don't know how to use it in nothing. So we will be building this right now in next 10 to 15 minutes, and this will be all with the help of uh, ChatGPT, Claude, and other, for example, Perplexity AI. So let's start. So मेरा approach कैसा रहेगा इसको बनाने के लिए ना? So now that ChatGPT has given us a good idea, so what I'll just say it uh, sounds good. Idea sounds good. Let's break it down technically how to work. Okay, let's see how step by step breakdown it gives. So it says like data collection, gather images of different. Sometimes really the ChatGPT gets very slow. I really like Perplexity more than data ChatGPT sometimes. Okay, so our first point is like data collection. After that, data pre-processing, building the model, then training the model, and after that, model evaluation, model deployment. That is option we are not going to do. Iterate and improve. That is the last point. So what we will try to cover, we will try to cover right now the data collection. This will be not a very big thing to do that anyone can do. Resize all the images 200 into 200 pixels, trains for consistency. Okay, normalize pixel value to be between 0 and 1. Split your dataset into training and sets, typically around 80 to 20, 80-20 or 70-30 split. What is this? It's asked this. Please elaborate response. Uh, these two actually. Selecting the collective images of data precursor resize. Okay. Okay, pixel value should be 255 basically. That's the thing. In the range of 0 to 255. It helps in faster convergence during training. Okay, got it. So now let's go to resize. Let's say I have done this. I have done this part as well because this is the later on part. I'm not going to take it at the first point. After this, let's do the building the model part first of all. Okay, building the model class. Please go ahead and make model for this. Okay, so it has directly started to make the model. I'll not see look into the code right now. We will break down the code later on and see what it is using. Do I need to change anything? max pooling layers for round one, then the two fully connected dense layer for classification. Okay, the output layer uses the softmax activation. Okay, let's see. I'll do one thing. I'll open VS Code. I'll open my terminal. Let's go to studio desktop. I'll make a new ML. I think I already have that. Yeah, nothing inside this. So what I'll do mkdir, and the name of the file should be like image classification. Okay, inside that, let's make a file, and I think I'll name it the same. What I'll do, new file, new Python file, and we'll save it with name, not here, inside desktop. No, not inside desktop, one file formats, save it. And now let me directly open the folder. Okay, we pasted this. Now what does this want? This code is prepared. You can adjust the input shape, size, experiment with this architecture, hyperparameters, and optimization techniques to improve the model performance further. Okay, building and training the model. Now please do the above part. So this code is also in Python. So do I need to keep both the files, do both the code in the same file or in a different file? That is a very big doubt because I don't know anything about this. This is how you can proceed with building the training and the model. Okay, okay, so this code should be in different file or the same. Okay, model definition, create fruit where to define the various system. So it is saying like, okay, this is the model. So it is saying like fruit classifier. Let's name the same as it is saying. So we will do rename fruit classifier.py. We will name a new thing. No, py fruit classification main.py. We contain main code for loading the dataset, defining the model architecture, training the model, and evaluating its performance. It can import functions from other files as needed. Okay, data preprocessing.py. Py. This one as well. So I'm still confused. ये वाला जो हमारा है, this is basically for building and training the model. So this should go in the main script, model definition. No, this is not model, this is data pre-processing example, wait. Okay, main script, it will go inside that. Later we'll clarify, okay. Okay, okay, so I have made two files now named py and py. How to train the model now. Let's see what it says. Great, now you can proceed to train the model using the fruit classifier. Very good. In fruit classifier, define the function create fruit classifier to create the scene and architecture. Not inside this, not inside this. Sorry, one second. We have not pasted the code here yet. So I think we need this. We need to paste it here. Okay. So one more thing. Okay. The file should only contain the model architecture definition. Fruit classifier.py. The fruit classifier main.py import the necessary modules in the module using training. 103. What is this? 2637 plt.show. Plot.show. Okay, this is fruit classification main.py. Make sure to replace the example function which are actually loading the processing functions. Also, you have to set up both defining content in let me read again the part. So what it is doing, now let's go and see the code. मुझको लग नहीं रहा है कि directly वहाँ से देख के कुछ होगा. Need to see some codes itself. So when we will be running, it says like कि to proceed to train the model using this one. Okay, and it says this part. So and it says return model. So what it is doing basically, it is calling the model. Input shape is 100 units. We assuming the images are size 200 pixels and 3 channels RGB. Num class assuming that we have 3 apple, orange, banana. Num classes. Okay, this is 3. And we are calling this model.add layers.const 32.3 64.33 max pooling D. What is this? I don't know. Hmm. Hmm. ठीक है ये हो गया इनफ्लोट कंसिडरेशन लिंक पर okay so inside this also you need to have this create food classifier just this okay so here what we are doing basically x y x train y train x test y test load and pre-process data okay and what it will be doing basically one second uh, train the model using the training data evaluate the trained model and testing data so it is saying like accuracy eco now I'm getting confused a lot okay fine but still confused how it's getting my example images on which it needs to be trained. on. और am I missing anything कि यहाँ पे इतने सारे पॉइंट्स बोले थे splitting the data sets ये सब मैंने कुछ किया नहीं है evaluating the model fine tuning उसका ज़रूरत तो बाद में होता है. Just clarify how you can load your example images for training the model. You need to create a separate file that's called data preprocessing multiplier where you can define functions to load and process into it. Exactly. थोड़ा तो दिमाग है अपने में भी. What this is to बस ये वाला चीज़ें हैं. Load data, data directory. Load data is being called where. Here, okay. In this, we have defined functions to load images from a directly load data, process to load images, split data set into training sets and test. Split data. Okay. Images, labels, text size 0.0. Okay. You should have customized these functions based on your data sets. Once you have defined this function, you can import them into your. Okay. हाँ इसमें हमको कहाँ पे please do this part for me. Now we will have two more things after this to do. So I think so now data processing is being called. What is this? NP is not defined. This is NP. What is NP? NP. NP. It should be NP dot. I don't know. I don't think so. This is going to work because it is. I think so. It needs to import numpy is NP. Anyway, I need to install numpy. So I replace path to your directory. Where is it? Okay, in the root classifier itself. So what I'll do, I don't need to install numpy right now. I'll install later on. pwd image classifications. We will paste it here. I'll make a new folder here by name fruits. I need to rename it. Fruits. This one slash fruits. Okay, and done. After that, the load data function loads the images and labels from the specified directory. The preprocessed data functions the process. Okay, banana image, banana images. Now let's come to the images part. That is like collecting and preparing the data set. Okay, organize the images into folders, each folder representing a different fruit category. So this is apple. So if each folder will have different fruit category, then you have given only one directory URL that is, then how will model categorize different Fruits. Let's see. I think so. What will be happening inside the fruits? I need to make one like apple. Well, not in this. Well, like banana. And well, like anything. Don't say sorry, Apple. Let's update the code to handle multiple food queries stored in a separate folder with the data. We can modify the load data function to traverse into the each. Okay. Mm-hmm. Let's see. Now it is saying like this one. Okay. So I have to train my data set first of all for uh, uh, okay, apple, orange. Let's make one orange. Yes, orange. So orange image one, orange image two. This way each particular folder with the data set when you load the data using it, send labels on the folder's name. Okay. So now what we need to do, banana images, and let's go to the initiate conversation. Okay. Mhm. Single banana download. अरे यार हर चीज़ के लिए इतना सारा साइन इन जरूरी है क्या? दूसरा बनाना है एक और. I'll give three sets of photo. चौथा या five चौथा and then अच्छा. So let me come here. कितने डाउनलोड हुए हैं? दो तीन चार चार हुए ना. बनाना जेपीजी जेपीजी टू डॉट जेपीजी थ्री डॉट जेपीजी. I cannot paste directly. 1 second, I'll paste it from the finder. Fruits, banana. Okay, as you can see, here it is, but I think so. We need to fine tune right now here. What was our tune like? Resize all images, resize images to 100, x100, no? I'll do 1, 2, 3, 4. I cannot choose multiple. अरे यार, that is bad. एक एक करके करना पड़ेगा. हाँ ठीक है भाई, कर दे. ठीक है, एक हो गया. वन हो गया. So I can delete this one. Wait. And delete banana one. Close. I need to be here. ठीक है. Download. I need to be in. जीपीजी आधा टाइम तो ये सब चीज़ें ले जाती है। अभी 3 का ही करते हैं क्योंकि अब मेरे को ये सब हर किसी के लिए करना पड़ेगा। चारों क्लिक कर दिया है, दोनों किसके लिए कितना रहेगा, बट ओके। 2 के लिए नहीं किया है पर 1 क्लिक कर दिया, ठीक है। सो नाउ फॉर एग्जांपल आई हैव डन फॉर दिस। लेट्स से अगर मैं नहीं भी करता तो चल जाना चाहिए था वैसे, क्योंकि सबका सेम रहता है। एनीवे, व्हाट शुड आई डू नाउ? आई शुड गो फॉर एप्पल। एप्पल का आ गया एक फोटो। Let me say like second photo, and let's say good photo को सबसे उठाते हैं। And third photo, I think this is clear। तो 3 फोटो हमारे पास है। Let's do one by one। Delete and delete, upload, choose one, open, download, let's name it Apple one। Delete it, delete it, select it, pixel flickers, download, download, Alt2, and then delete it, date, and the last one. This is the Apple 3. So I come here, nano Apple, और let's say अभी orange का हम delete कर देते हैं. We will do it for only 2. Let me come to the code again. If you will see, Apple में हमारे 3 आ गए हैं, nano में 3 आ गए हैं. Now let's see how to run the code. That's the most important part. Now uh, I have done every part, including uh, data capture in curve manner. Then all files are done. Now how to train it, if any commands these provide. Now we need to just run this Python program also. So let's see how it is doing it. ओके, तो सबसे पहले हमको ये चलाना है। ओपन नेविगेटर में ओके, numpy, टेंसरफ्लो, ओपन सीवी एक्सेट्रा। तो अभी तो हमारा ये एरर दे देना चाहिए। एंड आई एम रनिंग Python 3 on my local. So it is saying no module name CV2. Let's say it's CC लेते हैं. It's people install CV2 actually. But okay, open CV. Python. Let's say it will install open CV Python. that, if this works, guys, that will be a very great video actually. But a great video, this will be a great achievement for me also. क्योंकि मैंने ये अभी तक बिल्कुल ट्राई नहीं किया था, दिस इज जस्ट रॉ वीडियो, और ये बस मैं अभी सीख सीख के कर रहा हूँ जो भी वहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है, एंड आई एम लिटरली सेइंग लाइक कि ठीक है, मैंने इसमें कुछ ज़्यादा देखा नहीं, इट्स ऑल डन बाय द एआई. बट एनीवे वी हैव टू यूज़ आवर ब्रेन्स. इफ यू विल सी, बहुत सी कीवर्ड्स बीच में मिसिंग थे जो कि एआई आपको भूल जाता है बार बार बताना, लिंक करना भी चीज़ों को बीच में, वो आपको खुद करना पड़ेगा. And anyway, when you will be seeing this code, this is a very easy code. If you will see, you don't know the process right now. It is loading the data, it is pre-processing the data, then splitting the data. After that, if you will see, it is fruit classifier which is doing all the optimization. I think so. Let's see how it goes. Now, let's run this again. Okay, so this is where we're coming. So let's give it here. Okay, and there's an issue with the resizing images using favorite to it seems that the process image best return empty image size. Empty image size, what is this? Because there is no image with that size. Let's do one thing, we can check it like size is empty, how is it possible? Okay, there's no something like fruits. Okay, clear. Let's hyphen banana. Okay, it is coming for which file? Let's first of all see. Let's see, go for banana. Recyclability. What is the size also we can see here or not? This is the size or what? Yes. This is okay. CD dot CD apple. So I don't think so. This is a size issue. So I think so. I should be going in here because ये था directory inside that I should be. This. Hmm. Okay, so it is saying like data pre-processing dot data load data directory. Okay, this is the data directory which is loading this. It is coming here, listing directory classes. Let's say list directory. Let's print it. What it is given. Classes. Here it is, and comma classes. I don't know it's comma or plus. I am forgetting or like this. See, it is coming through here. Not apple.ds store. Okay, I need to ignore this. .ds store. Okay, for class name in classes, so path join. Let's say how many times. Let's say I print here class name. Let's say inside which class name for which directory to send the issue. Class name banana. Okay, and banana के अंदर join ये और ये. Okay, line number 29. See here. Resize shapes. Okay, तो actually what is happening, जो हमने जो होशियारी दिखाई थी, हमने एक ऐसा वो रखा था जिसका साइज हमने बहुत ज़्यादा के रखा था. लेट मी डिलीट दैट. नाउ दिस शुड नॉट बी कमिंग. आई डिलीटेड दैट पार्ट. लाइन नंबर 29. Okay, so what we should do, I think we should uh, name it if there is any name for image name. You know, it's like directory. Image paths. Let's say I print here image image. I want to know for which image this issue is coming actually, because this is not coming for Apple issue, this is coming only for banana. Oh, sorry, comma. Hmm. Image's name is none. Okay, what is this? Let me copy this. I have this. I have this. I have this. Let me do one thing. I'll do this as well. I think there is some issue in the code itself, not a directory issue. Because what is happening when I'm deleting also this banana 1, banana 2 files, still it is giving me. So what I am suspecting is like कि जब सब खत्म हो जा रहा है ये for loop, so it is not able to go out of this loop properly. Okay, so what I'll say right now, use folder name as the label resize image to uniform size. This is already there, so I'll not do this. So what it is saying is that okay. Again, input label, line number 33. And what it is expecting actually here, load data, inside load data. Okay, so it is doing the data processing every time. So what I can do now, I'll do some चालाकी. मैं Apple 1, Apple 2, Apple 3 को कॉपी करूँगा, बनाना में पेस्ट कर दूँगा, ठीक है, and I'll delete banana for some time. Okay, you will see now both में Apple ही है. So I just want to be sure like ये कोड का इशू नहीं है. I want to show you guys कि हमेशा कोड का इशू ऐसे नहीं आएगा. Don't trust chat-gpt or any AI also blindly. Let's see. See, it is giving none. Let me remove this part. Just see this part. Class name. Okay, it is in the class name banana. It has already been in the class name that is based on the apple. Apple कहीं कर चुका है. So I need to be sure now. और Apple में कर चुका है. Same images यहाँ पे है. So this is not a code issue. Very sure. Now what I am going to do, I think so. I need to say like, let me return this. Uh, in this part of code, when it's coming for the last images, last folder, it's giving error. But same is kept in previous folder. Double check all code. Let's see. Give me correct code. instead of advices. हाँ, ये अब केस हैंडल करके देगा मेरे को. What it has handled if image is not known. Correct. ठीक है ना, कोई बात नहीं. हाँ ठीक है. Module. Now it is giving this error. Not this one, only line this. And we will see also कि ये क्या है. ये बोल रहा है इस वाले पे create group classifier is no attribute like है तो input shape. fruit classifier के अंदर हमारा है ये. ठीक है, which is like 38 लाइन्स का कोड है. ठीक है. ओके. And below is y. Let him do the part, yeah, while we are thinking if it needs to be done by the chat-gpt. Should be going in the main code. Okay. And after this, exit. I forgot. We made it new. Line 1. We'll do it. At least it's now coming to the TensorFlow. वीडियो थोड़ी सी लंबी हो गई है, बट आई वॉज होपिंग 15 to 20 मिनट्स होगा, बट सारा इमेजेस कलेक्ट करना, उसको प्रोसेस करने के लिए इट इज़ टेकिंग टाइम. या आई थिंक सो देयर इज़ अ गुड प्रोग्रेस बिकॉज कम से कम डेटा प्रोसेसिंग वाला पार्ट खत्म हो गया है हमारा. वी डन विद द डेटा प्रोसेसिंग की वो बनाना, और एप्पल को हमने जितना उसको डेटा दिया है टेस्ट प्रोसेस कि बनाने की क्या वैल्यूज़ हैं और एप्पल की क्या वैल्यूज़ हैं. द मोर डेटा वी गिव, द मोर इट विल गेट ट्रेंड. ओके. नाउ वी जस्ट नीड टू सी कि how it is working. So let me see if it is taking any input shape. So input it is taking this is all to I think so data process करने के लिए है ना. फिर हम इसको शायद से कोई शायद फ्रूट देंगे कि which is this fruit, limited tell me, उसके बाद शायद से बताएगा. Let's read it here now. Hmm. Okay, so it has given me some image like this. And I don't know उसने ऐसा क्यों दिया है. I'm unable to remove ये वाला ही लोड नहीं कर पाया है. Number of images 6, number of level 6, labels apple, comma banana, and this is apple, it is saying. Okay, figure 1. Let me see if there are any other figures which it is given. No. So what we will do, we will close it again. Let's run it again. Let's see what happens. So again it has given me the same image. So what it is doing basically, if you will see here, like param, output shape, on woody. Okay. Okay. यूजर वन ने डोनेट पास इनपुट से कैसे करके ये आया. ओके. यहाँ पे हमने रन किया फिर से तो उसके बाद ऐसा कि लाइक दिस. Let's see what it means now. This is what is printed in console, and what do we call this actually? And the figure. And the figure is generated of a blue, bluish apple. Every time, let me do one more thing. Now I want that I should give a image which my model should classify whether apple or banana. What is this new image or path? Okay, so it is saying like need to go there, then call this predicted class. Okay, So if index equals to 0, apple, okay. So should I make it in new file? I think so. It will be in new itself. Classify fruit.py. Let's say not inside this classify fruit.py. Okay, let me close this fruits. Copy code, paste. Path was written here. So I'll do what? And what is this model part to save model weights? I don't know where to save that. But I'll have to check actually. Pre-processed data. Detector class. Where is that h5? h5 something is not h5. Oh, where is this? Let's go to Perplexity now to check for this question. Let's see. Uh, Current working directory. Okay. Let me see if I have anything here. No. Or nope. You have given will generate not h5. Will generate or not. Let's see. See, it is not generating it itself. It is just processing in the real time. Every time it has to run. It's of no use. So we actually missed it. So it should actually generate the model. कि model क्या है? So it was not doing that. So fruit classification.py में आखिरी में हमको fruit classification.py classifier है. So what we need to do? Training.py. ये अब कहाँ से आ गया? I don't have a my save weights. It is doing save weights or not? Does not do. Okay. Let's take this. Where is it doing? Save weights. Visualize के ऊपर ना evaluate के नीचे ठीक है and we are saving this also saved it done we'll do it and we will come here. Thank you for this photo. Now what we will do 49 line पे लिखा था हमने 49 also in this new image. So what we will do we will take a banana copy it here is a paste and we'll copy this new image.jpg. So now we have exactly not inside this copy move to the paste. So we have new image inside this. We don't go into image classification. Correct. Now I think we need to run Python. This is our final thing. If this runs, everything runs. Py. What it says? It says nothing. We are in the correct directory. So I don't think so. Load model, let this. If name equals to main, I don't think so. We need this right now. We can directly run it. It is giving error. Part to the model. Where is it? Okay. Yeah, yaar. Where is the model? I had already generated यार कहाँ गया model weights कितनी गलतियाँ हो रही है model weights सब भी हुआ है but it's fine. Let's do it. तो ये H5 वाला जनरेट नहीं कर रहा दैट इज माय कंसर्न राइट नाउ वो पता नहीं विजिबल होता है कि नहीं होता है ओके लेट मी डू वन थिंग आई थिंक इट शुड बी रनिंग और इसके साथ साथ लेट मी रन इट हियर Python 3 classify py. Mhm. Still no directory for this. We've already asked. Hmm. Current directory we will not print it here. Sorry. बस इतना सा काम करने के लिए रुका हुआ है इंडिया. This is here. We don't need this. X. When it is saving it, we are printing the current directory, and after this, we are saving it to the path. This. अभी भी जनरेट नहीं किया. So let me show you. I found something. यहाँ पे अपनी है subplot configuration tool है. ठीक है. Okay, bottom right. Okay, there's a space. Nothing is happening. Okay, home, left, right, center. So save. It is not doing anything. It is not saving the. अच्छा यहाँ तक आ भी नहीं रहा है क्या? That's my issue. I think so. Code current directory तक आया भी नहीं. So what is happening? It is this lost तक आया. Noops. I don't want to show the plots here. Display images I don't want actually. This should done. Let's see if this is one. ओके पर कहीं तो फट रहा है इसके बाद का कोड. सी तभी वो सेव नहीं हो रहा है. लाइब्रेरी. Let's skip this question here as well. Let's see what it says. See here. This is not inside true classifier. Still it is giving the same error. I don't think it is an issue with क्या है यहाँ पे issue है actually. Model of fit 42 line पे extra test. ठीक है। अब उसको शायद से सबसे सही में समझ में आए। रजिस्टरिंग इज, हाँ सही है, might be an issue with the data type, ठीक है, during the model. Okay, please do the needful and fix. ओके, ठीक है, वो वाला तो सेव हो गया था। लाइन नंबर 15 1 पे था। H5 करके जो आ रहा है ना, द वैल्यू मस्ट एंड। ओके, नाउ वी हैव डन समथिंग। अभी ये चला है ट्रेनिंग एक्यूरेसी and validation. I don't know what is this right now. We will see it through. So let me just first of all give this here. देखते हैं कि क्या होता है. So let's say Python classify fruit हमने दिया है, fruit कौन सा? Banana. Predicted class banana. So it's for let's say इस image को अभी हम यहाँ से delete करते हैं. Now what we will do, move to trash. We will do one more testing like अभी हम एक एप्पल डाउनलोड करेंगे जो अभी तक हमने इमेज नहीं दी है, ऐसे एप्पल डाउनलोड करते हैं वैसे, बट हमने अभी ज़्यादा ट्रेनिंग डेटा भी नहीं दिया है तो हमको थोड़ा सा फाउंडेबल लेना पड़ेगा, ठीक, लाइक आई थिंक सो दिस विल बी गुड। ओके, एंड मैं इसका नाम चेंज करता हूँ, सेकेंड, सो डाउनलोड्स में दिस वन इज लाइक train .jpg and copy, come here, give train.jpg, paste the code. So if you can see यहाँ पे train.jpg दिया है मैंने, so instead of this, now let's say train.jpg and this is the apple file, let's say, show you, just for training purpose. So this is still a banana. So अभी हमारा ये काम नहीं कर रहा because this is the apple. अगर मैं एक काम करता हूँ, एप्पल वन जो है let me move it to outside. Move. Okay, and let me give it the name train1.jpg. एंड यहाँ पे हम train1.jpg करते हैं आउटसाइड दिस. आई थिंक सो हमने बहुत ही छोटा सा डेटा सेट दिया है कि बिल्कुल भी क्लियर नहीं है, हमको बहुत ट्रेन करना पड़ेगा इसको. अननोन फंक्शन रीसाइज Tyrin, okay, sorry. Tyrin one. This is Apple. Now it is able to guess it because हमने जो डेटा दिया था. So I think so many things are required जो हमने अभी आगे की चीज़ें नहीं की हैं जो हमको ChatGPT ने बताई थी. But what's the most important thing is yes we have made a new model on, on our own basis. ChatGPT को यूज़ करके हमने इसके अभी डेटा कलेक्शन कर लिया, प्रोसेसिंग कर लिया, बिल्डिंग द मॉडल वी हैव completed, ट्रेनिंग द मॉडल वी हैव completed. Okay, model evaluation we have to do, model deployment we have to do. We will deploy, I'll try, like we will deploy this and I'll give you the GitHub repo code also, okay, how you can get this code and iterate and improve. This is basically a lifetime process, चलते रहेगा, not an issue. Okay, so I think so that is good from our side now कि हमने पूरा चैट जीपीटी को यूज़ करके उसी के थ्रू एक आइडिया लिया हमने कि गिव अस अ गुड आइडिया जहाँ पे हम प्रोजेक्ट्स बना सके स्क्रैच से. आई नो दिस वाज नॉट अ 10 minute वीडियो, नॉट अ 30 minute वीडियो ऑल्सो, इट माइट हैव गॉन टू 1 hour, something like that. But yes, this is something like we have done by ourselves. Okay, so I'll sign off right now and we'll meet you in the next video and I'll really try कि अब जो videos बनेंगे वो short and simple हो. Okay, I had tried this one as well but ये थोड़ा सा extend हुआ. But if you will see 1 घंटे में ऐसा ML बनाना कि जिसमें क्या predict कर सकूँ कि image के अंदर क्या है on the basis of what you have given already. The process data is very good for us for starting actually. So thank you everyone for watching this. If you really liked it, subscribe, comment, share it, and just view the whole video how we did it. And just don't get demotivated कि ये हमारी job छीन लेगा. Thank you. Bye bye.